On this week's Lentz Truck Upgrade segment, I'm with Brian Lentz at Lentz Truck Center, America's leading used truck dealer. Brian, what have you done to our duck truck this week?
We've added a rapid hitch from Anderson Manufacturing.
Awesome, let's take a look. The rapid hitch is the easiest, most versatile ball mount system available. It's totally adjustable for both ball size and height. Let me show you how it works. The rapid hitch can be adjusted from trailer to trailer by simply pulling one pin and selecting the ball height and size you need. No other hitch in the industry can do this. You can flip the double greaseless balls over for various size trailer couplers or adjust the height of the drop by simply removing one pin. You can even turn the rapid hitch over and change the drop to a rise. With such a quick and easy height adjustment, the rapid hitch lets you tow easily and safely by keeping your trailer level to the ground. This results in longer tire life. It's a perfect hitch for anyone who owns multiple trailers. Now the rapid hitch is available in 3 sizes, 4, 6, and 10-inch drop or rise. It's also available with various ball sizes to fit most trailers. It's American made out of polished aluminum that won't rust, chip, or peel and has a 10,000-pound towing capacity. Now for more information on the rapid hitch Brian's put on our duck truck, go to the Rapid Hitch website or the Flyway Highway website. And remember, you can buy this rig when we're done decking it out, so go to lentzauto.com for more details. Hey, we'll be right back with more Flyway Highway after these messages.